horrible olor. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is olor, olor. This is a Spanish noun and it means smell or odor. Olor is masculine, so you can say el olor or un olor. The plural form is los olores or unos olores. Now let's see a few examples using olor. Ugh, ¿de dónde viene ese olor? Ugh, ¿de dónde viene ese olor? Los calcetines tienen un mal olor. Los calcetines tienen un mal olor. Gross. El olor de las flores es agradable. El olor de las flores es agradable. La casa tiene diferentes olores desagradables. La casa tiene diferentes olores desagradables. El olor de la pimienta me hace estornudar. El olor de la pimienta me hace estornudar. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to leave more examples down below using olor. Also subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!